Yo peeps, welcome back to the channel one more time. I apologize for taking so long to put out another vlog, but I have to do a little traveling and thing. Currently in the United States of America. So right now I'll be doing Jamaican, Christmas cake. It's not Christmas yet, but I'll be doing a fruit cake, a Jamaican fruit cake. Yeah man, so here are my ingredients. We got to have our Jamaican red label wine, our rum, our all-purpose flour. I have 2 pounds of dried prunes, 2 pounds of raisin, my cinnamon, my rose water, allspice, my nutmeg, my vanilla, a pound of salted butter, breadcrumbs, and my browning. Also, you need the dark sugar, and here are my eggs. Yeah peeps, so I'll be blending up the fruits in my Ninja here, so check that out when that's being done. Yeah peeps, so I've now added my prunes and my fruits to the Ninja, so I'll be now adding in some good old Jamaican white rum. Yeah, cause rum have a taste, Some rum, it have to be rum, you need that rum flavor in it. That is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. That'll be roughly about a half cup. And I'll be adding in now my red label wine. Yeah peeps. So I'll be blending this now. Yeah peeps, that's how we do it, That's how we do it peeps. Blending up everything all together right now. Basically, we don't call this a puree of the fruits. Yeah peeps. Yeah peeps, so that is how it would be looking. All parade. Yeah man, so this will be added into the mix. But I'll use it as I go along peeps. Alright, check it out. Yeah peeps, so this is my butter and my sugar. I'll blend it together. So this is 8 eggs. Took out the egg eyes and all of that. Try to eliminate some of the rawness. So this is 8 eggs. So I'll be putting in my 8 eggs now. Yeah, peeps. And now I'll be blending in egg, butter, and the sugar together. Yeah peeps, this is how we do it, This is how we do it on Wise Choice channel, Yeah, we're making real Jamaican fruit cake. Real Jamaican fruit cake we're making peeps. Yeah, peeps, so blend all of this together. Another rub with the mixer. Make sure everything is blended properly. Sugar, butter, and now the eggs. As I said before, 1 pound of butter, 2 cups of dark sugar, and I took 8 eggs. As I said before, I took out the eye of the eggs because, you know, I tend to make it raw. Even though we're going to put some lime juice and lime rind in it. Watch me now, peeps. So I'll be adding in now my fruits. So this is raisin and prunes. All parade together. I might want it with this consistency. You don't want to have any lumps of raisin or prunes in your cake. So this is how we do it. Blend it right out to this consistency. Yeah, peeps. So once again, we go to our mixer. We're blending everything again now. So we are blending our sugar, butter, eggs, and now the fruits. That's it, keep coming together. Oh my, nice. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Yeah, peeps, so basically I blend it up, as I said, the egg, the sugar, the butter, and now the fruits together. So check me out when I'm adding the rest of the wet ingredients. Yeah, peeps, so yeah, so see it all there blended, mixed up, fruits, egg, butter, and the sugar. See that, peeps? So it looking. You know, so I'm going to spice up things a little right now. So I'll be adding in my almond flavoring, my vanilla, and some rose water. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of the almond flavoring. And I'll be also adding in 2 tablespoons of rose water. Yeah, peeps, so now I'll be putting in some vanilla. So this is just basically spicing up things. So I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of vanilla. Yeah, peeps, so we'll mix all of that in now. Well, peeps, you want to smell this already. Wow, I tell you. Coming together. Yeah, so you just want to make sure so you rub in everything good. Turn it over. Sure everything is rubbed in. Real good. So peeps, just in case you're still a little rawness on the egg, Normally, grate some lime rind in it. Roughly a teaspoon. I'm basically judging it right now, but roughly a teaspoon of the skin of the lime. Cut down any rawness that will come from the eggs. So yeah, peeps. So also be adding in a little of the another teaspoon of the lime juice. Yeah, peeps. Just like that. Once again, we'll mix that in, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so that is all my liquid. So now, so check it out when I'm adding the dry ingredients. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be putting in my dry ingredients now. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be putting in a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Half tablespoon of the nutmeg powder. And I'll be adding in about half teaspoon of allspice. Yeah, peeps, so once again, rub that in now. Yeah, peeps, so to this batch here, I'll be adding in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. See, peeps, all coming together now. It's ready for the baking tin now. And the oven. I'll be baking the cakes at 350 degrees. See, for about an hour until tested with a knife or a toothpick or something. Once it comes out clean, there's no residue on it, it's all finished. Yeah, peeps, so this is the second cup. Yeah, peeps, so at this moment I'll be adding in a tablespoon of baking powder. Purpose of the baking powder now is to help the cake to rise. You don't want a flat cake or look like pancake, you know? Yeah. But as I said, I always said, please like, share and subscribe to Wise Choice channel. You know, we try and work very hard to give you guys some good cooking and baking content. Like, share, leave a comment, anything, I would appreciate it. Yeah, man, see that down, peeps? Yeah, peeps, so this batch here now, for this section, I'll be adding in also some breadcrumbs. Plain breadcrumbs. And I've actually added in another 2 cups of that. Breadcrumb is used now for the texture of the cake. Yeah, peeps, they're coming together. All coming together. I did my second cup of breadcrumbs. Peeps, it's a Wise Choice fruit cake. Mad thing. Not only known in Jamaica, it's also known in the United States and other places, so you know. Yeah, man. When you taste this, peeps, mad thing, man. Mad thing. And we normally know that the consistency is good. When you stick like that, peeps, and him stand up, good to go. Good to go, peeps. Trust me. It's going to come out nice and moist and very delicious. Yeah, peeps, I'll be adding in my final thing now before the baking tin. It should be some, currently I'm using some Eve browning. You want some color. Yeah, so when you're doing your cakes, you put the amount of browning you want. If you don't like your cake too dark, you have to just judge that. But you know, fruit cake normally have a dark color. But if you don't like the cake too dark, you just judge the amount of browning that you add in your batch. See that now, peeps? Getting that color. Still going to add a little more. That should do it. Yeah, peeps, so get it that color now, so this base color ready for the baking tin anytime soon now. So check it out when it's in the baking tin and going into the oven, peeps, alright? Yeah, peeps, so see it there? Yeah man, all in the tin already. I know when this is baked, it's going to become even darker when it's finished. Yeah man, so I get 3 out tight, peeps. So that's how we do it. Yeah, peeps, look at that, eh? Nice. So, I'll be adding them into the oven now at 350 degrees C for 1 hour, peeps. So check it out when it's finished. Yeah, peeps. See them there now? All finished, peeps. All finished. Yeah, man. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to Wise Choice channel. Please leave a comment. Yeah, man, I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, peeps. This is the finished product now. Yeah, man. Real Jamaican fruit cake done by Mr. Wise Choice himself. Yeah, peeps, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Once again, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. I greatly appreciate that. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching once again.